Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Utamindlala giving threats to YouTubers and a famous YouTuber known by Mighty James.
Jimmy is speaking to Chami Dlalaya.
To who?
Chami Dlalaya.
Tamindlala. How are you doing, Tamindlala?
Not so great, my brother.
Why not?
Jimmy, you've put a number of episodes on your page, on your Twitter page in relation to myself.
Yes.
A whole lot of allegations there.
Sorry, I can hear you. I did what?
You put a whole Twitter episode on your YouTube channel, on your Twitter page, making a whole lot of allegations about myself as an individual.
Which allegations in particular, sir?
And he proceeded telling this guy, if ever he doesn't take down the videos on X, Twitter, and also YouTube or his page, he won't sit down and continue a conversation where they both backchatting each other. So if ever he doesn't take this down, uzokhuluma nabantu abazoyenza ukuthi ayehlise leya video leya. And the guy asked, is this a threat? And he said, take it as whatever you wanna take it, but if ever I yehlise le video, you'll see. And he said, record this. And the guy was like, I already recorded this. And then he started being polite. What's wrong with this guy? He said he doesn't own the mall, and they released a statement which he doesn't own the mall. So if ever allegations I am bitter, that means there's something more about these allegations that he doesn't want the public. Maybe Mighty James ukhulume a point where it triggered him ukuthi ingathi uyasondela or something like that. Yes, guys, sometimes I believe if ever you're not guilty of something and all of these allegations, just sit down, release a statement, and then sit down. Uthule. Just thula. Ungakhulumi, just sit down and shut up. But uThami no Lerato is ngathi bayafana. Baceda ukurelease a statement, but still they're still answering public, threatening public. Like, it's like, manje, there's something big that they are hiding, and kuzobana more investigations and more and more and more, because they are out here replying to the public, they are out here threatening the public. Umuntu osebenzisa YouTubers are gossipers are journalists. So everything ebayikhulumile ngaye, like, akasifundisa ukuthula nje, akasifundisa ukuthula. If ever he's not wrong, akasiwe abantu ke. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? I mean, I love Ashim Angbas, guys. I don't know them. Thank you for watching.